A few nights ago, a social media reel made me uncomfortable, not with violence or drama. What disturbed me most was that it was a beautifully made video. And the more I thought about it, the more I realized it wasn't really about darkness. It was what happens when our darkest thoughts become content. I was scrolling after a long day when that reel appeared in my feed. A man was having a conversation with his alter ego. They talked about failure, entering their 30s, unfulfilled dreams, and the feeling that life wasn't unfolding the way they had imagined. As I watched, I expected the usual narrative. The darker voice would be challenged, some perspective would emerge. To my surprise, the inner critic won. The message felt something like this: if you have fallen short of what you wanted, maybe you're exactly who you fear you are. I don't think the creator was trying to be harmful. The reel was powerful precisely because it felt honest, which raises a question I've been thinking about ever since. At what point does honest expression become something else once an algorithm starts distributing it to millions of people? I have no problem with darkness in art. Some of the greatest writers explored despair, alienation, and suffering with remarkable honesty. Art should ask difficult questions. Sometimes it should make us uncomfortable, but context matters. When I pick up a novel or watch a film, I'm choosing to enter that world. I have time to understand the characters, the nuance, and the consequences. A reel, on the other hand, doesn't work like that. It appears between vacation photos, memes, political debate, and cat videos because an algorithm thinks I'll engage with it, and that's a fundamentally different experience. A 2-hour film can explore hopelessness and still talk about its consequences. A 60-second reel often leaves you only with the emotional residue. When conversations like this happen, we usually focus on intent. What did the creator mean? But social media forces us to ask a second question: how will it be received? For one person, that reel is simply a thoughtful piece of work. For another, it may sound very similar to a conversation they are already having with themselves. And we may never know who those people are. Among the millions scrolling are people carrying grief, illness, heartbreak, depression, uncertainty, and struggles invisible to everyone around them. Content doesn't enter a vacuum, it enters those existing conversations. What stayed with me wasn't the darkness, it was the assumption beneath it that your value as a human being is tied to what you have achieved. But some of the bravest people I know aren't doing anything Instagram usually celebrates. They are not collecting awards or hitting big milestones. They are carrying burdens nobody else can see. And sometimes getting through another day with disappointment, uncertainty, failure, or pain takes more courage than success ever will. Achievement is admirable, but your value as a human being isn't something you win at the end of the race. It exists long before the race begins.